Let's talk about conflict resolution. Let's talk about how to have difficult conversations. There are always going to be occasions where we need to have difficult conversations. So let me share with you a few tips to handle such situations. The first thing is know what you are going in to talk about. What is the one thing you want to resolve? Make sure that you're very clear on what that one topic is and stick to it during the conversation. Don't start bringing up the past. This is very common when couples fight, going back into history. Don't do that. Stay on one topic and try to get that resolved. And following on from that, the other thing is before you have the conversation, know what your ideal solution looks like. So think to yourself, what do I want from this conversation? What is a good result? What does it look like for me? So that you have a very clear idea of where you're trying to go with the conversation. The other thing is to choose a time and a place that is convenient for you and feels like a safe space. This is particularly important in situations where you're meeting with someone that you feel may get aggressive or the conversation could get ugly very quickly. This allows you to have a quick exit strategy and be able to leave the area if you're not comfortable. And can I just add here, if you are dealing with someone that may get violent and aggressive, you may want to think about where and how you have this conversation. And then moving on from that, we need to learn how to listen and to be empathetic. When we are empathetic, we are putting ourselves in the other person's shoes. So we're not going in with the idea that I am right and they are wrong. We're going in with an open mind and we're putting ourselves in their place. This allows you to be more tolerant, more patient, and more open to listening. And this is very important in conflict resolution. And the final thing is remain calm. Try to keep as calm as possible. This is very important when we have, difficult conversations. Don't lose your temper. If you feel the person is starting to say things that are going to agitate you or make you lose your temper, try this trick. Start singing a nursery rhyme or a very simple song in your head. Having to remember a song and sing it over and over again in your head distracts you from that conversation and means that you don't get agitated when they say something offensive. This should be used when you realize that the conversation is not going anywhere and it's best to end it. So having that song, just repeat the song in your head until there's a moment where you can actually say, maybe we can continue this at another time, or this is not working out. We need to come back to this. I hope this helps. If you have any questions or there's anything you want me to talk about, please send me a message. Take care. Bye.